Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix no internet connection. Make sure that Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on, then try again. So if you're trying to play games or install app on Google Play Store and you're it's showing like no internet connection, so what you need to do here, I'm going to show you in this video. Watch the video till the end. So now what you need to do is that very simple thing. You just need to go to settings on your device. After going to settings, just scroll down and go to apps. After going to apps, here click on app management, and then here you will get all the application which has been installed to your phone. Simply you need to scroll down, and then here you have to search for Google Play Store. Here you can see, simply click on it, and then this type of interface will be pop up. So here you will get one option, that is storage usage. On the bottom you can see, simply click on it, and then here you have to clear the data as well as the cache. You have to clear both. After clearing this, just click just click on the top right corner three dot and click on uninstall update. Okay, after that what you need to do, click on the permission button here. Simply click on permission, and then here you have to allow each and every permission here. Okay, after doing this, now next step what you need to do is that please make sure that your internet connection is well okay and good. If your internet connection is not good, make sure to connect with a good Wi-Fi connection or internet connection. And then after doing this, just go and then just click on try it, and then just you can just install it. You can see it's working now. So I hope this video will be absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.